"I'll marry you if you fit into this red dress," the ballroom laughed. But the woman they humiliated that night would destroy his pride forever. Julian Aranda's voice sliced through the ballroom like a whip. "I'll marry you if you fit into this red dress." Laughter exploded across the elegant hall. Maribel Torres stood frozen, still wearing her blue cleaning uniform, her hands gripping a mop. In front of her, the most expensive dress in the exhibition shimmered under crystal lights. Red silk fire red, beautiful, untouchable. Julian lifted his glass, smiling with cruel amusement. "Come on, woman, do you dare or not?" Maribel said nothing. She lowered her head and walked away. Behind her, the laughter grew louder, but something inside her eyes changed. Shame disappeared. In its place, a silent promise was born. No one knew that the woman they mocked that night had just begun writing a story that would one day shake Julian Aranda's name to its core. The next morning, the alarm clock screamed. Maribel woke up in her tiny apartment in Iztapalapa. Cracked ceiling, damp walls, her work uniform hung beside the bed. For a moment, she thought about not going to work. But hunger always weighs more than pride. She poured coffee into a chipped cup. Her mother watched her quietly. "Another sleepless night, my daughter?" "Nothing, Mom. Just tired," Maribel replied softly. The TV flickered. "Julian Aranda dazzles with his new fashion collection," the reporter said. "The famous red dress will be auctioned at an exclusive event." Maribel froze. The dress filled the screen again, burning into her memory like a wound that refused to heal. "You were there, weren't you?" Her mother asked gently. Maribel nodded. She turned off the TV and whispered, "One day, I'll wear something like that." The bus ride to work was long and silent. People complained about bills, traffic, heat. Maribel stared out the window at billboards for gyms and beauty clinics. She didn't feel envy, she felt hunger. Hunger for dignity. At the hotel ballroom, the floor still sparkled from the night before. Wilted petals, empty glasses, lingering perfume. As she cleaned, footsteps approached. Marina, one of Julian's assistants, spoke quietly. "You really messed up last night. If I were you, I wouldn't come back." "I don't have a choice," Maribel replied calmly. "Then avoid him," Marina warned. Julian doesn't tolerate visual mistakes at his events. Visual mistakes. Those words hurt more than the laughter. But Maribel kept cleaning. After her shift, she didn't take the bus home. She stopped in front of a small neighborhood gym. A sign read "First Class Free, Start Today." She inhaled deeply and walked inside. The air smelled of iron and sweat. A strong woman smiled at her. "First time?" "Yes," Maribel said. "I want to change. If you're serious, I'll help you," the trainer replied. "But don't skip a single day." Maribel nodded. That night, staring into the mirror, she didn't see a poor woman, or a tired woman, or a woman to be laughed at. She saw a fighter. The red dress appeared in her mind again. "Not for him," she whispered. "For me." Outside, the city slept, unaware of what had just begun. Because change doesn't always start with hope. Sometimes it starts with a wound.